Welcome to Next Level Tech. Many of us are fascinated by guns, especially the ones that are handmade and crafted beautifully, but we never really know how these guns are made. Today, we look at some amazing ways guns and bullets are manufactured. Make sure you subscribe to this channel immediately and turn up the notification to avoid missing future videos. Let's go there. Holland Holland is one of the last remaining traditional London gun makers. Since 1893, their London factory has produced some of the world's finest sporting shotguns and rifles. Their guns are handmade by integrating both traditional and contemporary techniques. Time-honored gun-making skills and state-of-the-art machinery combine perfectly to instill quality and artistry into every shotgun and rifle. The production of a Holland Holland gun begins with the barrels. Barrels start life as two lengths of steel. The tubes are meticulously drilled, turned, reamed, joined, and polished to ensure a perfect line. The barrel makers take hundreds of hours to guarantee each barrel is perfectly round and concentric, creating pieces of immense strength, functionality, and beauty. Holland Holland stocks are made from finest Turkish walnut, an aesthetically stunning and notoriously strong wood that is dried for up to 2 years to ensure it does not warp. The best stocks start with the best blanks. The stocker carves, cuts, chisels, and shapes the wood to fit perfectly to the bespoke measurements of the client from comb to heel. Hand inletting ensures perfect function. Hand rubbing seals the grain with a durable, natural finish. The heat of the hand helps the oil settle and builds up essential layers of protection. The result is beautiful, comfortable, ergonomic, and hard-wearing. Finishing a gun brings all the processes carried out by each and every craftsman involved together. Every step of a shotgun's creation is a precise balance of engineering excellence, with a deep understanding and appreciation for the art of British gun-making. The finisher breathes life and soul into every gun. The finisher's skills ensure the final details of every intricate technique are perfect, from ejector timing to trigger pulls, from lacquering the metal to checkering and polishing the wood. CartuchosTrust. Ibar has been one of the world's main centers of firearm manufacturing, so much so that it is known as La Ciudad Armera, or the City of Firearms. It is no coincidence that CartuchosTrust was born in Ibar. Standing out for doing things well is a constant that defines them. Firearms from Ibar are known throughout the world for their sturdiness and precision, the excellent quality of their fittings, and the beauty of their finishes. Given all this, ammunition from Ibar must meet equally high standards by offering the best ballistic performance and the highest reliability. CartuchosTrust began manufacturing shotgun shells specially designed for hunters and their firearms in 1926, and to this day they continue to work according to the philosophy of the founders. They put all their effort into carefully selecting raw materials, monitoring processes, evaluating products, in accordance with highly stringent testing procedures, and being flexible when it comes to serving customers. Over the years, they've added new shot shells to their range, offering tailor-made products that meet the needs of hunters and sport shooters. Victory Ammunition. Victory Ammunition has been producing shotgun ammunition, which has become the choice of demanding clay target shooters and hunters in many countries. Victory Ammunition is a company with a permanent obsession for research and experimentation, continuously improving the performance of their products for specific tasks in clay shooting, sports, and hunting with a shotgun. They have always enjoyed the outdoor activities both for competition and hunting, and know what will make any shooting experience more enjoyable and memorable. The production of hunting loads is based on innovative thinking coupled with the use of top-quality components that make their hunting ammunition unparalleled in reliability and utmost performance. Having gone through years of experience and research, they managed to optimize the ballistic characteristics of each hunting range. Exceptional, consistent performance, even in the most severe weather conditions, is the focus throughout the production process. They meticulously produce and knowledgeably choose raw materials and components, thus providing exceptional quality in all products.